the unforgiving environments of giant open-pit mines, conditions leave absolutely no room for mistakes, and the heavy equipment operating within them must be nothing short of legendary. What you are about to witness happens every day, but almost nobody talks about the raw engineering power and the human grit required to keep these mechanical titans moving. Today, we are going behind the scenes of an operation most people never witness. We will step beyond the surface and trace the path of material through an operation built for scale, discovering how design, planning, and execution come together. This is a closer look at the systems, the technology, and the skilled crews working around the clock to move mountains one bucket at a time. At this flooded sand and gravel quarry, the Manitowoc 4600 Series 3 continues to perform the task it was built for. Working from stable ground, its 140-foot boom and 7-cubic-yard dragline bucket excavate valuable aggregate from beneath the quarry lake, where rich gravel deposits remain below the groundwater level. Instead of draining the pit, operators use the dragline's long reach to recover material efficiently while minimizing site preparation. With a maximum lifting capacity of 480,000 pounds and a 55,000-pound line pull, the Manitowoc 4600 delivers the steady pulling power that made it a trusted machine throughout North America's aggregate industry. Decades after its introduction, this classic dragline continues to prove that proven mechanical engineering remains an efficient solution for recovering the raw materials used to build roads, bridges, and modern infrastructure. At Fercov's Gaianello sand quarry in northern Italy, the Komatsu D475A-8 demonstrates why it stands among the world's most capable production bulldozers. This particular machine holds special significance as the first Komatsu D475A-8 delivered to Italy, marking a new level of heavy earth-moving capability for one of the country's largest aggregate operations. Powered by a 890-horsepower Komatsu SAA-12V140E7 engine, the dozer weighs up to 254 to 200 pounds and can carry a massive 45-cubic-yard super dozer blade, allowing it to push extraordinary volumes of sand, gravel, and overburden in every pass. In this demanding quarry environment, the D475A-8 rips through compacted ground, clears new working areas, builds haul roads, and maintains efficient production across the site. Its lock-up torque converter delivers smooth power transfer during long pushes, maximizing productivity while reducing fuel consumption. Working alongside large excavators, wheel loaders, and haul trucks, the D475A-8 plays a vital role in keeping material moving and ensuring that every stage of the mining cycle operates at maximum efficiency. In large open-pit mines, sustained productivity depends entirely on the perfect coordination between loading and hauling equipment. To eliminate bottlenecks, operators rely on carefully matched equipment systems like the Komatsu PC2000 hydraulic mining excavator and the Komatsu HD785 rigid haul truck. The PC2000 is an engineering masterpiece, powered by a 976 horsepower engine and weighing up to 450,000 pounds. It utilizes an optimized 17.9 cubic yard bucket to excavate overburden with lightning-fast, consistent cycle times. Working in harmony right beside it is the Komatsu HD785 haul truck, a 200 horsepower powerhouse with a gross vehicle weight of approximately 361,000 pounds. The excavator is powerful enough to load this giant truck in just a few precise passes, allowing the truck to quickly transport waste rock to designated dump areas without interrupting the excavation flow. Sitting high in the cab, the skilled workers behind the controls manage these massive power outputs with incredible precision, turning a harsh pit into a highly synchronized dance of steel. This continuous cycle is the ultimate backbone of surface mining, reducing idle times and proving how matched design maximizes fleet performance shift after shift. In the vast expanse of an open-pit coal mine, the Terex O&K RH 120E plays a critical role in keeping production moving around the clock. Built in the proven O&K mining excavator tradition before becoming part of the Terex lineup, this rugged hydraulic excavator weighs approximately 595,000 pounds and is equipped with a bucket of up to 25 cubic yards, allowing it to load large volumes of overburden or coal with fast, efficient cycles. Working in perfect coordination with a fleet of Komatsu 830 EDC electric drive haul trucks, the RH120E maintains a steady flow of material from the mining face to waste dumps, crushers, or coal processing facilities. Each loading cycle is carefully timed to minimize truck idle time and maximize fleet productivity. Designed for continuous operation in demanding mining conditions, the RH120E combines powerful digging performance with a service-friendly layout that has earned it a reputation for long-term reliability. Together with the ultra-class Komatsu 830 EDC, these machines demonstrate how efficient loading and hauling systems have become the backbone of modern surface coal mining, where millions of tons of material must be moved safely and economically every year. In one of Germany's large limestone quarries, the Liebherr R 9350 face shovel demonstrates the speed and precision required to keep a modern mining fleet moving. Weighing approximately 683,000 pounds and powered by a 1,500 horsepower engine, this 300-ton class excavator uses its 23.5 cubic yard shovel to load a waiting Komatsu HD785 in just a few efficient passes. Designed specifically for face loading, the R9350 cuts directly into blasted limestone, delivering short cycle times and consistent bucket fills that maximize truck productivity. Developed from Liebherr's long-established mining excavator platform, the R9350 combines high breakout force, fast hydraulic response, and exceptional reliability to meet the demanding pace of continuous quarry production. Working in harmony with rigid haul trucks, machines like this form the backbone of large limestone operations, supplying the raw materials that become cement, concrete, steelmaking flux, and countless infrastructure projects around the world. When a mining operation expands to a global scale, moving massive volume is no longer just about speed. It is about minimizing the cost of moving every single ton of material. To solve this challenge on an enormous scale, Liebherr created the R996, an ultra-class hydraulic mining excavator that has earned its place as one of the most respected giants in industrial history. This colossal machine is powered by twin Cummins K1800E engines generating a combined, breathtaking 3,000 horsepower. Operating with a massive front attachment, the entire machine weighs up to an unbelievable 1.76 million pounds and handles a giant bucket of up to 47.5 cubic yards. A bucket this large can easily swallow a family vehicle, allowing the R996 to load ultra-class haul trucks in only a few quick passes. The raw sound of 3,000 horsepower screaming under load fills the open pit, creating a presence that is absolutely impossible to ignore as it moves thousands of tons every hour. Many of these legendary machines have accumulated well over 150,000 operating hours in the world's harshest environments, a milestone that highlights the incredible dedication of the maintenance crews who keep them running. The R996 stands as a supreme symbol of durable engineering, proving that human creativity can build working giants capable of literally moving mountains. Among the largest haul trucks operating in modern surface mines, the Komatsu 980E is built to move extraordinary volumes of material over long distances with maximum efficiency. Classified as an ultra-class electric drive mining truck, it combines a 3,500 horsepower diesel engine with an advanced AC electric drive system, delivering smooth power and exceptional traction on steep haul roads. With a payload capacity of 400 short tons, a fully loaded weight of nearly 1.38 million pounds, and a 327 cubic yard body, the 980E transports massive loads of waste rock or ore from the loading face to crushers, stockpiles, or waste dumps with remarkable consistency. Designed to work alongside giant mining excavators such as the Komatsu PC2000 and Bucyrus 495, every haul is carefully synchronized to keep production flowing without interruption. In the world's largest open-pit mines, machines like the 980E are the vital link between excavation and processing, moving millions of tons of material each year while sustaining the continuous production cycle that defines modern mining. These machines are more than giants of steel. They represent decades of engineering innovation, relentless determination, and the people who operate them every single day. As mining technology continues to evolve, one question remains: how much bigger can these machines become? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this documentary, please like, subscribe, and join us for the next journey into the world's most extraordinary heavy equipment.